Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hi. Many interesting events have transpired in the past week. The NIRF MBA rankings have finally been released. A top business school has announced that it will be conducting its MBA program online for the incoming batch. And some really good news has come in from the corporate world and it's made its way to the headlines. So let's jump into the top 5 updates from the past week. XLRI's Dean of Academics has told the media that the new incoming batch at XLRI Jamshedpur will be studying online till instructions are received to reopen the campus. As a result, XLRI students will not be able to participate in the Rural Visit program, which is an integral part of the curriculum at XLRI. XLRI will also be opening its Delhi NCR campus, which will have an intake of 120 students in its first batch. The retail sector has been hit hard due to the ongoing pandemic. It was earlier reported that Raymond had laid off hundreds of employees due to rising debts and the impact of the coronavirus pandemic. Now it's been reported that Shoppers Stop has laid off over 1100 employees, with the company stating that the layoffs were inevitable due to declining business. We had earlier reported that Swiggy, which had laid off hundreds of employees due to the coronavirus pandemic, was now helping ex-staff members find jobs. Now it's been reported that startups like Zomato and CureFit are also helping its ex-staff members find jobs. CureFit has revealed that it has made a 5-member team, including core team members and senior managers of the company, to help in counseling of ex-employees. The HR team at CureFit is also internally sharing over 100 job postings per week. Zomato, which laid off 13% of its workforce, has created the Zomato Talent Directory, which will help potential recruiters take a look at the profiles of staff that have been laid off. We are well over 3 months into the coronavirus lockdown, and almost every week there has been news of layoffs in the hundreds and thousands, not just in India but across the globe. A survey conducted by Naukri.com has revealed that hiring in India declined by 61% in the month of May, with sectors like the hospitality sector, BFSI and retail being hit the hardest. However, as per another survey conducted by Naukri.com, most of the 1600 HR heads that were surveyed said that they expected hiring trends to go back to normal within just 3 to 6 months. The survey also revealed that at least a third of the HR heads surveyed have assured their employees that they will not be laid off. Also, 1 in 5 HR heads have assured their employees that there will not be any pay cuts. Additionally, only 1 in 5 HR heads have actually confirmed that their organization will be cutting salaries of their employees. So the worst may soon be over. Every year, the MHRD releases the NIRF MBA rankings, in which Indian business schools are ranked based on various parameters like perception, graduation outcome, teaching and learning resources, amongst others. Recently, the rankings for the year 2020 have also been released by the MHRD. But this year the results have been very surprising. The IITs have been ranked above IIMs in this year's rankings. IIT Kharagpur has an overall score higher than that of IIM Kozhikode and IIM Indore, while IIT Delhi has been ranked higher than XLRI and MDI Gurgaon. But the most surprising has been rankings that have been based on the perception of an institute. In this parameter, IIM Trichy, a new IIM, has been ranked above IIM Indore and XLRI and features amongst the top 10 management institutes of the country. As per these rankings, MDI Gurgaon appears to have fared very poorly, ranking below the IITs, PSG College of Technology and Anna University. But the most surprising of them all, SPJIMR has been ranked 35th, below VIT, GLIM, new IIMs and many IITs. You can take a look at the latest NIRF rankings in this article on InsideIIM.com. The link is in the description. Before we end this episode, I have a few questions to ask you. Are MBA rankings important to you? If yes, what do you think of the latest NIRF rankings for 2020? How accurate do you think these rankings are? Please let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you next week with more updates from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IIM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.